Good morning, me again. Time for another vlog. Sunday, I just popped down to Coalhouse Fort for a few hours. So high tide was about 10 o'clock. And so it's getting on for 11:15 now. I just wanted to go down and see if I can get any wading birds. Well, I might be a bit late for wading birds, but I was going to have a look anyway. And the sun's come out, so it's quite nice. See you in a minute. Hey look, just look at this sun. So it was cloudy up until about half hour ago, 45 minutes, quite misty and foggy and murky. Now the old sun's burning out well, I think. Oh yeah, it's quite nice. I'll tell you what, I didn't need 2 or 3 layers on, that's for sure. Sweating. God, have a look at this. The sun's beaming down. There's loads of wading birds out there. It's flat calm. I think I got the tide time wrong actually. Hang on. No, I didn't. There is loads of wading birds out there. Oh, sugar. It's a bit muddy along this path though, so come up here, just be aware. There is thousands of wading birds out there. You know what's going to happen? As soon as I get down to the tide line, everything's going to fly up. There is... Wow, I've never seen so many wading birds. Right, let's get my camera ready before I take off. Just got a couple of turnstones on the rocks. I've seen turnstones here before, but I've never got this close. There is thousands of wading birds out there at the moment. There's quite a lot of grey plover I can see just here. There's curlew just here. I'm guessing they're black-tailed goblet over there. Yeah, look, there was a... Even got a seal as well. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to scare them all up. I've managed to get quite a few shots so far. No tripod again. If I had a tripod, I would have got some cracking footage. So there's quite a few grey plover down there. But beyond there, that is just, I've never seen so many wading birds. Well, I have, but it's nice to see that many here. I keep moving forward slowly, just edging forward. I don't want to spook these birds. I need to be low ground really, but there's not any low ground. The mud, this side is just full of grey plover. Oh, them curlew. Curlew. Oh, look at that. Neil, this is where you need to be down here. Let's get some more photos. Yeah, hopefully my phone mic's going to pick up this sound. That's the mic. So I don't know if it's made a difference. See, if you listen with earphones, I'll be alright. Little ship going by now. So I tried to record bird sound, but there's this boat going past on the river, and also there's some clay pigeon shooting going on the other side of the river as well. And it's my mic's picking it up, so all you can hear is thudding. But I think I've picked some of the bird sound up. So I'll have a listen back with earphones, I think, when I get home later. Yeah, still loads of wading birds out there. I'd love to set up a hide here, right in that corner when it's going, the tide's going out. Just wait. That'd be ideal. There's nothing stopping me from doing that, actually. So, yeah, look at this. It's lovely. Lovely light. Worth coming down in there. Have a look at this now, look. So on the old jetty there's black-tailed godwit and oh, my brain keeps blooming going. Hang on, I'll start that again, take two. Oyster catchers. Yeah, there's good numbers of oyster catchers on the old jetty there. I've got some cracking shots where I've been coming in, trying to land. Yeah, look at this, look at the river. It's flat calm. And the sun is shining off that top of the water. Look at that, it's lovely. I'm going to try and sneak around the other side of the water tower, radar tower. It's not a water tower, it's a radar tower. Second World War. Yeah, this is lovely down here. Let's just try and sneak around that side. Here we go with the blooming motorbikes. One's just gone tearing down now. I hope he falls off and breaks his neck. Anyway, there's the jetty. We still got to try and move slowly, that's the thing though. There's Nick's Island. Let's try and get. This ground's quite soft, but it's got small rocks on it, like pebbles and stones. I'm just trying to get here. So there's the old jetty there. But yeah, you can hear a motorbike in the background, but that's over in Kent. I checked the tide this morning, high tide, and it said 10:30. It ain't, I got that completely wrong. I was just on Nick's Island, and then he got stuck again. Anyway, yeah, tide's in the flood. So it must be about 1 o'clock-ish. Anyway, there's some posts up here. and they've got grey plover on. So I'm going to try and get some shots of the grey plover on the posts. Oh, I'm going to go for a walk now. I've spent about an hour here. I've got loads of footage. Well, not loads, I've got some footage of the oyster catchers. There's some lovely grey plover shots on these posts here. Yeah, so I'm going to go for a walk. Yeah, I've got that tide time completely wrong. So it's always worth checking the tide times before you come to places like this. Sometimes I forget, but sometimes I don't. So, and sometimes I don't get it right either. I get it wrong. Shit, everything's crumbling beneath my feet here. Anyway, I'm going to go for a wander now. So I did get eyes on the kestrel in the car park and I pulled up. Hopefully get eyes on it again later. There's quite a lot of people around today actually as well, but what do you expect if the sun comes out? Anyway, let's go for a wander, see what else we can find. Alright, just thought I'd have a little look around this area. Sort of rough grass, and you got the barracks there. Well, no, they're not barracks, are they? They're gun placements, is it? Yeah, I used to sit up there in the summer, looking across to that tree. I had a nice journey around in there actually a while ago. Yeah, sometimes this is the area where the barn owl likes to hunt as well. I've had short-haired owls hunt over here in this area in the past. And only a couple of sightings this year. Yeah, 2 short-haired owl sightings so far this year. I keep meaning to get over to Wallasey, but I don't even think they're shown over there that well. But I know the barn owl's showing quite well. So yeah, I've got another 4 nights at work. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then I'm off for 8 days. So I may try and get over there then. Well, I've got to have a bit of work done on my car, but yeah, I want to get over to Wallasey. There's been some cracking barn owl images been put on the Facebook page. So yeah, I need to get over there soon. Next week, the week after. Just see if there's any stone checks about. Can't see anything. So I was going to walk up the sea wall, but it's really muddy up there. For the start of the sea wall up there is it's ridiculously muddy. So unless you've got Wellington boots on, I wouldn't chance it. You're going to slip arse over the tit. So I'm going to have to come up the other side. I want to walk around the moats anyway. See if I can get an eyes on any stone shatter or anything. Right, just walking around Coalhouse Fort in the moats. The old remote control boats are out, look. Let's have a look. I'll come this way, hopefully to get eyes on a kestrel. I photographed it the other day. Anyway, there's the old remote control boats. They've been coming here for years, these people. I've never really spoken to them either. Bit of a race there, look. No, there's the start of it. They just come round, shot round that corner a bit. That little boy. Yeah, there you go. Oh, keep my phone straight. Poxy motorbikes are over by the seawall. Anyway, I'm going to have a sit down for 5 minutes. One of these benches and have a sandwich. These trees here, there has been green ringneck parakeets nesting. A friend of mine managed to get some shots. Actually, he was just here 5 minutes ago. Yeah, he quite often sits here. I'm going to sit here 5-10 minutes. See if we get eyes on a parakeet. Right, that's my lunch done. I'm just heading over to the sea wall now. I've just spotted the kestrel. Let's see if we can get some shots of the kestrel for you. I've got the male kestrel. He's up in this tree in the horse paddock. Just over there. There he goes. Watch where he goes, watch where he goes. Is he going to land on one of them posts? No. Land on the other tree. It's nice when he lands on one of these posts down here. There's a lovely post over there actually. Corner post, I've had him on there before a few times. The male kestrel. I think there's been motorbikes teared up down here. So it just spoils the atmosphere. Hang on, go and get a couple more shots of this kestrel. Where it is now. Hang on, a little bit further. He just started hunting, got him hovering. There he goes, he just landed on the post. Oh, hang on, where is he going? No, don't go. Please don't go. No. Back towards the fort. Oh, that was good while it lasted. Yeah, over the fort. He might come back. I'm going to see if I can get eyes on the Dartford Wobbler one down there. You never know. That sun is really nice. It's warm. Nice change. Yeah, anyway, I got some lovely shots of the kestrel hunting, hovering. I don't think I got any of his face, not on his face, but from a side view, so I'll have a look at him when I get home. Let's go have a walk up the sea wall now. See if I can get eyes on this. Oh, over there. Yeah, Dartford Wobbler. Just got to be pure luck in it, I suppose. Could be anywhere now. Anywhere. On the Triple SI. It's quite a big area, Triple SI. You walk up as far as the scrape. Slow walk up there towards the scrape. So it's nice light. You never know, you might see something. I mean, it has been pretty quiet here the last couple of times I've been up here. Well, apart from the kestrel, because I got that last time I was up here. Some lovely shots of it. Blue's background, blue sky behind it. Which makes a change. Alright, that's it. I think the sun's giving up now. All this cloud cover. And there's a bit of blue sky up there. I'm not even going to bother going up to the scrape. I've just seen the kestrel again actually. Yeah, it's come over dark. And that's why. Look, all that cloud cover. Right, going home. Yeah, so I've had a nice few hours over Coalhouse Fault. Loads of wading bird images to go through, and a little bit of footage as well. Saw the kestrel, a few woodland birds. Got a couple of recordings of woodland birds for you to listen to. Recommend with listening with earphones in. Oh yeah, I'll put this vlog up a bit later for you to watch. So from Coalhouse Fault, stay safe, stay sane, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mm-hmm.